Hi, I'm Tina Morocco. Welcome to 28671 Wahoo Drive in Village Walk of Bonita Springs. This extraordinary pool home is being sold furnished with tremendous upgrades. The property features 3 bedrooms and a large den, soaring ceilings, and an open floor plan. The bathrooms have been renovated, the kitchen has sleek new appliances, and the home has fresh interior and exterior paint. The seller added top quality plantation shutters and Hunter Douglas shades throughout the home. Upgraded hurricane protection includes new accordion shutters on the windows and sliders and Storm Smart hurricane screens on the lanai. Outdoors, enjoy sparkling sunrise views from the lanai overlooking the lake. The resort-style community of Village Walk of Bonita Springs is just minutes away from Naples, Fort Myers, and stunning beaches. The wealth of amenities include tennis, pickleball, and basketball courts, a playground, fitness center, pools, restaurants, a gas station, and more. Looking to socialize? The Lifestyle Director has a full calendar of social events for you. Looking for easy living? In this neighborhood, the hassles of maintenance melt away since the Homeowners Association takes care of your lawn, irrigation, internet, and cable. Embrace the Village Walk of Bonita Springs lifestyle, where luxury meets leisure and community comes alive. I'm Tina Morocco with Premier Sotheby's International Realty. If you have questions about buying or selling in Southwest Florida, please contact me.